by the misconception that it's something there to harm Black people as opposed to help.
Amid the ongoing pandemic, many of us have relied on virtual meetings, either for work or for personal life. But for some in Montreal's Black community, it's been a critical tool in getting the word out about vaccine safety and efficacy, with the Jamaica Association of Montreal holding town halls on Zoom to ensure racialized citizens receive information and have confidence in healthcare.
Within Black communities, there is a distrust in terms of the medical system. Are they going to treat me the right way? Are they understanding my what I'm feeling and what I'm going through?
There's so many different marginalized groups that we have seen for decades that don't get access to care. They're missing out on so many aspects of the health and social services system in terms of getting support they need. And COVID came along and magnified that, because we saw right out the gate, it's most of these marginalized groups that were the casualties.
A Léger survey in January, commissioned by researchers from McGill University and the Black Community Resource Centre of Montreal, found at least 1 in 10 young Black adults across Canada reported having COVID infections during the pandemic, 2.5 times higher than the general population. Since the start of vaccinations, Quebecers have rolled up their sleeves, with 78.2% of those 5+ with 2 shots so far. Vaccination rates for those 5 to 11 are progressing. 35.7% of them have received a first dose, while close to half of this group has taken their first appointment or gotten that initial jab.
Even though you have the vaccine, why do people still get COVID?
But some have been reluctant still, which is why the Jamaica Association, Public Health, and other community groups launched town halls with speakers from racialized communities.
There was one person who was coming all the time and really hesitant, really not liking it, but necessarily saying, I took the vaccine. It wasn't the government saying, go and get vaccinated. It was people that were on the ground that reflected them.
I am a part of that community. Socioculturally, and I talk to them about the fact that, we have a lot of information about the vaccine. It's now, a lot of it is available. The vaccine has been developed by the collaboration of the world's top scientific communities.
The goal of the town hall was also to equip people to be able to talk about COVID vaccination with their entourage, with their families, friends that might have been hesitant also.
We're focused on them, and we're bringing, I think, a little bit more attention to them to get the services they need.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.